Hi guys, welcome to this session. In this session, we're going to talk about the manual CPC bidding. So manual CPC bidding is going to be one of the types of bidding strategies which we can apply in the Google Ads platform. This bidding strategy helps us to set a bid. It is the maximum amount of money which we are willing to pay for every click which we get on our Google Ads. So here we are going to set the bids ourselves. So we go to each and every keyword of our campaign and we set a bid on each keyword ourselves. And that is why it is called manual CPC bidding. Let's have a look at this, guys, how we can apply this on a Google Ads platform. So once we log into our account, we can select the campaign in which we want to apply this bidding strategy. So we can select the campaign, and this just beside the campaign, you have a gear icon, which can take you to the campaign settings. So once you're in the campaign settings, you can go to the bidding section specifically, and you can change the bid strategy, and we can select a bid strategy directly over here. This will allow us to select manual CPC bidding. As you can see, it falls under manual bid strategies. So we can select manual CPC in this particular manner, and we can save it.